Hello everyone. Welcome to my review of the Husky Model C271H oil-free air compressor. This 200 PSI 27-gallon compressor can run a lot of different tools. Rated at 6.8 standard cubic feet per minute at 40 PSI and 5.1 standard cubic feet per minute at 90 PSI. The use and care guide is well written and informative and is also available online. The air gauge on the left indicates tank pressure, and the air gauge on the right indicates the hose regulated pressure controlled by the red knob. By setting the air compressor's regulated output to 50 psig, we can supply a continuous flow of air to the inflation tool without worrying about overinflating our tire. Another feature that I like about this air compressor is that it has two quick disconnects available on the regulated output to allow you to connect two hoses simultaneously. This saves time between disconnecting one hose and reconnecting another. Next, we connected our Husky air compressor to a paint sprayer that requires 50 psi to maintain an air consumption rate of 2.5 to 4 cubic feet a minute. If you listen carefully, you can hear the air compressor running continuously in the background. For a small project like this, it's probably not harmful. However, if I was to be painting a house, for instance, I don't think that I would want to use this compressor to do that, as running continuously for longer lengths of time would probably shorten this compressor's design life. That's probably why the compressor is rated for intermittent use for HVLP painting and rotary sanders. I have found that this Husky C271H does everything that I need it to do. It doesn't leak, all the gauges are accurate, and I never had a problem accomplishing any of the tasks that I set out to use it for. I'm very happy with the compressor's performance, and I hope you enjoyed my review. Thank you.